The Intelligent Forward Collision Warning, or I-FCW system, automatically turns on each time the ignition switch is placed in the on position. It can help alert the driver when there is sudden braking of a second vehicle traveling in front of the vehicle directly ahead in the same lane. The system uses a sensor located on the front of the vehicle to measure the distance to those vehicles traveling ahead of you. If there is a potential risk of a forward collision, the system warns the driver by blinking the vehicle ahead detection indicator and sounding an alert. The system operates at speeds above approximately 5 kilometers per hour. Perform the following steps to turn the system on or off. Use these controls to select settings. Driver assistance, then emergency braking to toggle the system on or off. The I-FCW system is integrated into the Automatic Emergency Braking or AEB system. When the I-FCW system setting is turned on or off, the AEB system is also turned on or off. The AEB and I-FCW systems will be automatically turned on when the engine is restarted. If the radar sensor picks up interference from another radar source, making it impossible to detect a vehicle ahead, the Automatic Emergency Braking and Intelligent Forward Collision Warning systems will automatically turn off and this warning light will illuminate. To ensure proper function of the system, keep these areas clean and free of obstruction. If any of these areas are blocked, this indicator and/or this warning message may be displayed. When safely parked, clear any obstructions to resume normal system operation. If the problem persists after clearing any obstructions, it is recommended you visit a Nissan dealer for service. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.